we have really lab-intensive courses, which helps me a lot because I'm a person more of like, I learn better when I'm doing it practically. So attending those labs, it helps me to understand the materials better. If I can be a part of a research team, and it will help me to be exposed with like how the researches are done.
What I do through my research is something related to AI and machine learning, but sometimes we deviate to other applications. But majorly, we deal with acoustic data. We try to classify what we have through those data. One of the best applications that we had so far, and we're still working on it, is AI for hurricane detection and how to forecast the weather here at South Coast.
Every lab, every room, every research faculty here has one eye on the present and the other eye on the future.